In the rapidly advancing realm of smartphone photography, the camera lens has become the focal point of innovation. Today's smartphones boast powerful lenses that rival traditional cameras in terms of image quality and versatility. As of 2024, a plethora of smartphones offer remarkable camera systems, redefining what's possible in mobile photography. From cutting-edge optics to groundbreaking computational photography, these devices are transforming how we capture and share moments. Let's explore some of the best phone camera lenses that are leading the pack in 2024, setting new standards for creativity and image excellence. In the world of smartphone photography, capturing that perfect shot often requires more than just tapping a button. It calls for the right tools to unleash your creativity and capture moments in stunning detail. The KEYWING Phone Camera Lens 3-in-1 Kit promises to do just that, offering a trio of lenses designed to expand the capabilities of your smartphone camera. With its 198 fisheye lens, 120 super wide-angle lens, and 20x macro lens, this kit aims to transform your smartphone into a versatile photographic powerhouse. Design and build quality. The first thing that strikes you about the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens Kit is its sleek and compact design. Each lens is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The lenses are housed in a sturdy aluminum alloy shell, which not only adds to their durability but also gives them a premium feel. The kit comes with a universal clip that easily attaches to most smartphones, ensuring compatibility across various devices. Design and build quality. The first thing that strikes you about the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens Kit is its sleek and compact design. Each lens is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring optimal performance and durability. The lenses are housed in a sturdy aluminum alloy shell, which not only adds to their durability but also gives them a premium feel. The kit comes with a universal clip that easily attaches to most smartphones, ensuring compatibility across various devices. 198 fisheye lens. Expanding your perspective, the 198 fisheye lens is the perfect tool for those looking to add a creative twist to their photos. With its ultra-wide field of view and spherical distortion, this lens captures a unique perspective that adds drama and excitement to your images. Whether you're shooting landscapes, architecture, or portraits, the fisheye lens allows you to see the world in a whole new way, making even the most mundane scenes come to life. 120 super wide-angle lens. Embrace the big picture. For those who prefer a more natural perspective, the 120 super wide-angle lens is the ideal choice. This lens expands your field of view, allowing you to capture sweeping landscapes, group shots, or cramped interiors with ease. With its minimal distortion and crisp detail, the wide-angle lens delivers stunning results that are sure to impress. Whether you're traveling, attending events, or simply exploring your surroundings, this lens ensures that nothing gets left out of the frame. 20x macro lens. Discover the hidden world. One of the most exciting features of the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens Kit is its 20x macro lens, which lets you explore the microscopic world with astonishing clarity. This lens allows you to get up close and personal with your subjects, revealing intricate details that are often overlooked by the naked eye. From flowers and insects to everyday objects, the macro lens unlocks a world of possibilities, enabling you to capture stunning close-up shots that showcase the beauty of the world around you. Performance and image quality. When it comes to performance, the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens Kit doesn't disappoint. Each lens is engineered to deliver exceptional image quality, with minimal distortion and maximum clarity. The lenses are coated to reduce glare and reflections, ensuring crisp, vibrant photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light environments, the lenses produce sharp, well-defined images with accurate colors and contrast. In conclusion, the KEYWING Phone Camera Lens 3-in-1 Kit is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to take their smartphone photography to the next level. With its versatile range of lenses and premium build quality, this kit offers endless creative possibilities, allowing you to capture stunning photos that stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual snap-happy enthusiast, The KEYWING phone camera lens kit is sure to inspire you to see the world in a whole new light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like the video and share this to your friends.